Having trouble logging into your MyRogers app? You're not alone. Common causes include password problems, issues with two-factor authentication, and occasional server outages. Let's break down how to tackle each of these. First, ensure you're using the correct password. Rogers requires passwords to be 8 to 16 characters long, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If you've forgotten it, use the Forgot Password option and follow the email or SMS verification steps. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see the email. For 2FA issues, ensure your SMS codes aren't delayed due to network congestion. If using an authenticator app, verify the time is synced correctly. Server issues, though less frequent, can still occur. Check Rogers' service status page to see if there are any known outages in your area. A quick app update or device restart can often resolve temporary glitches. These steps should help resolve most login issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, there are a few more advanced steps you can take. Clear the MyRogers app's cache and data. This often resolves persistent login issues. If you're still locked out, contact Rogers support directly at 1-800-ROGERS for personalized assistance. They can help with account recovery and investigate any underlying issues. Looking ahead, Rogers is implementing enhanced security measures like biometric login, fingerprint and facial recognition, and AI-driven anomaly detection. Stay vigilant against phishing attempts, which are increasingly targeting telecom apps. Always verify the authenticity of any login prompts or password reset requests. By keeping your app updated and staying informed about Rogers security updates, you can ensure a smoother and more secure login experience.